Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, a few areas are getting some rain today. Some of us were completely missed by it. Others had some good downpours. And right now you can see how widely scattered the rain is. This heavier downpour moving north and away from Beeville right now. We've also got some rain still at the coastline near Rockport and a little more starting to move in. So Corpus Christi in about 40 minutes or so, probably getting a little more rain coming down. Meanwhile, there are the showers and thunderstorms with the cold front that's going to come through close to midnight here tonight. And then that cold air behind it, there's some snow coming down. We talked about this yesterday. They're looking at 1 to 3 inches up there in the Panhandle, and it's 30 degrees right now at Amarillo. So yes, we have a strong cold front moving in. I expect showers and storms overnight, much cooler air, and those winds, they are going to be gusty. Let's take a look at all of those bullet points and talk about them. First, we're going to talk about the storm chance for tonight. In fact, there is a severe storm threat. It's a very low threat, and you can see it's marginal and mainly to our north, but it does clip our northwest counties here. As the storms do move in, however, I do expect them to weaken. Nevertheless, there is the potential we could have a few stronger storms in the northwest half of our viewing area. I think by the time they get closer to Corpus Christi, they're just going to be showers and a few rumbles of thunder. But we'll have to watch them as they initially move in for heavy downpours and some gusty winds. How much rain? If you get under one of those stronger storms, I think an inch of rain is reachable with the heavier downpours. But if you look on general, what we're going to see across the area, you can see that most areas anywhere from 1/10 to 1/2 inch. And notice the blue and the purple, those are the areas that'll see the higher totals in those northwestern counties. Now, talking about that wind, it is going to be gusty, and there are gale warnings out. The bays are going to be rough to very rough. We have those strong winds off the coastline and seas up to 13 feet. Not a good time tomorrow to be anywhere near the beaches or the water. Also, the temperatures. I know many of you are excited about the cooler weather coming in. You're going to get it. Looks like tomorrow we're going to start the day in the 50s, only making it into the 60s, and by evening we're back into the 50s by the time we get into the evening hours for the high school games. Now let's take an hourly look at all of this then with Future Tracker. This is starting off tonight at 7 o'clock. Notice not too much rain this evening, but it does pick up. There's our line of showers and storms at midnight as they pull across the area. You'll probably hear the wind pick up and some rain coming down at times. And then as we get into 2 in the morning, you can see the heaviest rainfall right along the coast, and it's already starting to taper off inland. By the time we get into daybreak tomorrow, we're already drying out, but we're cooler and still very windy. We're looking at 5 in the morning. Those temperatures already dropping into the 50s. The wind's still blowing pretty good. You're going to want those coats or jackets in the morning because that wind's going to make those 50s feel awfully chilly. And then as we get into the afternoon, the sunshine will help us out a little, make it into the 60s, but it's going to be cool feeling with that wind blowing. And notice by evening, here's 10 o'clock. See those 50s? So those high school games, it's going to be on the cool side if you're heading outdoors tomorrow evening. And with that, there is that high school evening football forecast, and you'll see those temperatures by 10 o'clock down to 57 as the winds gradually subside. By the way, tomorrow night, Saturday morning, this is what we wake up to at daybreak Saturday, 40s and low 50s. Yeah, chilly start to the day Saturday, but beautiful weather in the afternoons up to 79 by Sunday. Here is your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So the change is here. Here it is tomorrow, and then the rain ends early. It's dry much of the day. We're sunny this weekend. Chilly nights, warmer days as we head into Sunday and Monday, and another front does reinforce that mild air, keeping us pretty comfortable through the week.